Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so promote ko lang ang Cancer na bracelet. Ayan, so ito yung nag-a-align sa energies ng Cancer. Meron tong Larvicite, Aquamarine, at Selenite. Available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, let's begin. Cancer. What's up? October 23 to 29 for Cancer. You have the Four of Staves. Oh, merong celebration this week. Some of you also will be spending more time with your family. With your family. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magbabakasyon kayo somewhere. You also have the King of Swords and the Six of Pentacles. So when it comes to your finances, you don't have to worry. Okay? Kasi maganda yung daloy ng kaperahan sa inyo. Beware lang sa mga makakausap nyo during this time kasi baka mapikon kayo. Oo. Medyo mapikon, maging sensitive kayo masyado. May mga ganon, 'di ba? May times na okay lang makipagbiruan, pero may times talaga na wala tayo sa mood. baka meron kayong makabiruan na hindi maging maganda yung resulta, baka mag-away or magkatampuhan. So, be more sensitive na lang. So, what is the Four of Staves? Daughter of Wands. Ooh, so some of you might be traveling with your family. I also see some opportunities for you to pwedeng house hunting. Alam mo yun, yung iba pwedeng lilipat ng bahay or gusto nyo lang na magtingin-tingin ng bagong bahay. Oo. Condo. Di ba minsan gano'n sa mga malls, may nag-aabot ng paper, tapos biglang naging interesado ka doon. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay, what is the Queen of Vessels? You have the Nine of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, on the outside, pinapakita nyo na you are okay, you are alright, pero deep within you, you are struggling mentally. No? Pwedeng maraming gumugulo sa isip nyo, marami kayong pag-aalala. And don't worry kasi as long as you are open sa feelings ninyo, someone is willing to listen. No? Someone is willing to help you. Merong handang makinig. Oo. Kaya lang nga, di ba, minsan mahirap rin magsabi ng nararamdaman mo or problema mo sa ibang tao kasi hindi mo alam kung sino pagkakatiwalaan eh. Kaya sometimes we just keep it to ourselves, di ba? You have the Two of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong pagkakagastusan during this week na nangangailangan ng matinding pagdedesisyon, pag-iisipan mong maigi. Lalo na kung medyo malaking pera ang involved dito. Okay? Be very careful. What is the Knight of Swords? The Empress. I'm seeing someone na mag-open up or mag-express ng opinion niya tungkol sa'yo. But this opinion is something positive. Siguro, someone na magpapahiwatig sa'yo ng admiration, na gusto ka niya, or someone na nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Oo. Someone who appreciates you so well. This can be a Taurus or a Libra, or kapwa mo water sign. And meron ka ring mga aasikasuhin ngayong week na to na related sa Sa mga gusto mong simulang projects moving forward, pwedeng meron kang minamadali na proyekto, business, trabaho this week. You have Venus in Virgo in the 6th house. Venus in Virgo. Okay. 6th house is about your health. This is your daily routine. And Venus is the planet of love, money. So, I think magiging very careful ka. Oo, ito na nga yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na pag-decision when it comes to money. Oo. Kumbaga, medyo magkukuripot ka ngayong week na to. Dahil hindi mo, kumbaga, hindi ka magpapadalos-dalos sa pag-spend ng pera mo. You have Mars and Taurus in the 2nd house. Kasi it seems na may mga times na hindi mo napipigilan yung sarili mo. Ito yung tipong, sige, kung gusto mong wag mo nang gumastos, hindi ka alis ng bahay, 'di ba? But the moment na umalis ka ng bahay, may mga bagay na hindi ka mapipigilang gastusin kasi feeling mo na ang tagal mong nagstay sa bahay, wala kang ginagastos, pero paglabas mo naman, as in waldas, yung mga ganun. So that's why very careful dapat sa pag-handle ng finances. You also have Venus in Aquarius in the 11th house. I feel like meron kang iniiwasan or iiwasan na tao. This can be your friend. Pwedeng na-realize mo itong taong to ay hindi trustworthy. Hindi mo pagkakatiwalaan. And when it comes to friendships, yung iba sa inyo, umiiwas rin kayo na maging deeply connected sa isang tao. Lalo na kung kayo ay nasaktan in the past ng isang naging malapit sa inyo. This can be romantic, family member, or a friend. Money will be coming to you. O may kaperahan daw na parating. O hindi naman porket may perang darating, gagastusin na, diba? You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. Ayan. So, meron ka raw pinupurso ngayon na yun yung path, yun yung tamang path para sa'yo. Yun yung landas na kung saan masaya ka, fulfilled ka. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang yun. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. O yung iba sa inyo maaring papasok sa business partnership. Some of you naman pwedeng merong higher level of commitment. You will get into a higher level of commitment in terms of relationship, romantic. Ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Yung pagiging sensitive. Oo. Huwag masyadong magpapadala sa inyong emotions dahil baka meron kayong makaalitan na tao. Let's see your self-care. Rebel talaga. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in. Stand on your own 2 feet. Oh. So, I feel like ito yung ipupurso mo, meron mang mag-support sa'yo o wala. As long as alam mo yung ginagawa mo at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. And I feel like ito yung path na tama para sa'yo. Kasi masaya ka doon and you want to make it happen. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.